Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. I thought I'd start off with a quick get ready with me for my first vid. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just blending in my MAC foundation now, just making sure I get it all under my chin and, you know, all around the nooks and crannies. I've done my eyebrows. I penciled them in. I only do the outer corner really. I don't really like to do the inner corner because I like it to have that kind of blend, that fade. So yeah, so now I'm just going underneath my eyebrow with my sleek concealer. That's a few shades lighter than my foundation, just to give my eyebrows that highlight underneath the brow. I'm just blending that in, you know, making sure there's no harsh lines. So I just keep doing strokes back and forth really, and then again the same with the other brow. Just keep checking to, you know, try and make it even anyway. But yeah, just keep blending strokes, blend it into the eyelid as much as possible, and yeah, just keep going. Have a little look. Looks good to me. So next I'm gonna go in with the MAC foundation on the top of my eyebrow. I like the top to blend in with the foundation that I've used, so I always use my foundation to tidy up the top of my eyebrow. So yeah, just doing the same thing really, just trying to make it neat, trying to get them eyebrows on fleek. Yeah, just tidying it up with my nail, just little bits and bobs, and then just keep blending it to make sure there's no harsh lines. Damn girl. Yeah, so just keep blending them eyebrows. Now I'm going in with concealer on my eyelid and underneath my eyes, just to conceal them dark circles, you know, just to prep my eyes for my eyeshadow. Yeah, just going in again, just make sure that there's enough coverage there. I don't really like to have too much coverage. I like it to be kind of light. So yeah, my battery died, so yeah, so I just had to quickly do my eyeshadow off camera while my phone was charging. Yeah, so I'm just going in with some eyeliner now. This eyeshadow is cute and quick as well. I just used dark red eyeshadow, and then I just went on top with a little bit of a shimmery red eyeshadow. It's super quick. Yeah, so then now that I've finished with my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX or NYX concealer just under my eyes to highlight my dark circles, just on the bridge of my nose as well, and on the tip of my nose. Blending that with my beauty blender, blend. And yeah, just keep on blending, girls. Okay, I'm topping up again, blending again. This is serious blending. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going in with my banana powder. And then I've got to bake. And then put in some concealer on my moustache. Try and disguise that as much as possible and blend some more. Now I'm going in with my contour powder under my cheekbones to give it that definition. On my hairline as well, I like to put it on there, and my jawline as well, you know. Oh yeah, and the sides of my nose as well, just to make the bridge of my nose highlight a bit more. So then I'm going in with some blush, not too much, just a little bit, and then I'm just brushing all the excess banana powder off, and then blending it all Then now I'm going in with some highlighter on the top of my lip, on the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbones, and on my chin. Blend that in, and then now I'm going in with some lip liner for my lips. I like to overline my lips. I like them to look bigger than they are. I've got quite small lips. And then I'm going in with some lip tint and then some Kiko lip liner to fill in. I didn't even use lipstick for this look. I just really went in with the lip liner and lip tint. So yeah, so now I'm happy that look is onto the lashes, Eknora Beauty. So I'm using my Eknora Beauty lashes in style Rockstar. Go and get you some at www.eknorabeauty.com. And yeah, that's the finished look. So cute, so sweet, so light, you know.